What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video topic, guys. And in this video, guys, I'm going to share with you a trading indicator that I just developed. Yo, guys, you do not want to miss this out. So most of you guys might know the indicator that I'm talking about, but I did some modification on this indicator. So guys, let's just get right straight to it. And I'm just gonna be testing it on a strategy tester. Most of you guys who are using MT4, you know that MT4 has this feature, the strategy tester. So guys, as most of you guys know that I'm an intraday trader. So basically I just trade sessions and all that. And yeah, this is a trading indicator that I've been working on for quite some time. So what I basically do is, as you can see in this white box here, you have your Asian range. So what I basically look for is a false breakout, and I take a trade in the opposite direction. So let's just play this thing here and see what happens. Now we are in the London session, highlighted by the pink. As you can see, the market is dropping. Okay, seems like it's retesting. And by the way, this is Nasdaq 100. And now we are in New York session. New York is playing out, and New York is playing out. Let's see. Okay, so we are done with New York session. So as you can see, guys, here the market on this specific day, it was 16 January. So the market didn't really play out the way I wanted. But let me show you how you guys would have traded this strategy here. So if you are a trend following trader or whatever, or a breakout trader, as you can see here, the market broke the Asian low. So if you are a breakout trader, you would have capitalized on this trade here. But the way I trade, I don't think this would have been possible to trade, since the market just dropped right away, didn't even give us any chance to enter. Or you would have entered on a retest on the Asian mid-level here, as you can see. So guys, what I want you to pay attention is where the market is reacting. So after backtesting this indicator like multiple times, I just realized something, that okay, the market is 100% controlled. Like, it doesn't matter, like, I don't know exactly what controls the market, but what I can say, it's some sort of an algorithm. Because if you can check what's happening to the market, especially with the areas that are on this indicator, the market seems to be reacting. So, and I'll show you guys. Let's just play this thing on the next day, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So yeah, now we are done with New York, so new day. I want you guys to pay attention on this day here. Okay, let's look at what the market does. Goes, swept the stop losses, and this trade is I actually capitalized on it. Okay, the way I trade is I wait for 3 candle confirmation. So as you guys know, I trade fake breakouts. As you can see here, the market broke and attacked the liquidity. The red areas that you see here, it's the stop losses. So as you can see, got attacked, came down. So I wait for 3 candles, 1 2 3. On this candle I entered, then I put my stop loss below this low here, and I target the Asian high, and that's about it. 59 it's not actually 59. I entered here. It's how much? 53 index, 52 index points, and then I think I hit the target on this day here. Yeah. So I want you guys to pay attention on what the market is doing, specifically on everything you see on the charts. And by the way, guys, there's no way I could have known what the market was gonna do. So I want you guys to pay attention on what is happening on the charts, and you will be the judge, guys. You will be the judges. Let's take a look at what the market is doing. Let's take a look at what the market is doing. Like, if we didn't have this everything on this charts, guys, why would you think the market rejected on this area? Like, to me, this shows that, you know what, there is something controlling the market. Like, out of everything on this chart, it just shows to reject on this specific area. Okay, let's just play this and see how it plays. See, I smashed my take profit. Look what happens, guys. And by the way, these areas are just calculated, guys. Just calculated by this indicator. Look at what happens. Look, rejected again on the Asian mid area. Shot up. So guys, I think I did it. I think I cracked the matrix. I cracked the matrix code of trading, guys. So let's just have a look at this. And again, there is a feature for this trading indicator that I want to show you. Okay, but this one you don't really have to use it. This is something that I personally use. It's a basically calculations of maybe some sort of a prediction of how many points the market might move on a specific day. So as you can see here, this is the areas, meaning once the market hits this reversal buy or reversal sell, it has completed the daily target. So this is just something that I use for confirmation, especially when I trade the daily reversals. I just look at where the market is at. So I want you guys to look at this trade again with this filter here. Let's just look at the market. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday last week where the market rejected inside of this area here, and then I was with some guys and I told them that, guys, you shouldn't be looking for any buys. The market is completed. And they just said, nah, if this your indicator doesn't work or whatever. And I was like, yeah, you may be right, but it doesn't really make sense, because I kind of like saw that, no man, this doesn't really make sense. And yeah, guys, I think it was on this day here. So let's take a look at how it plays. And by the way, guys, if you want to check this indicator out, I will leave a link in the description and also in the comment section. You can just download the demo version and then run it on this strategy tester like I am doing right now, and then you can basically run this on any instrument. It doesn't matter if it's indices, metals, commodities, forex, whatever. You can basically run it on everything. So let's take a look at what the market is doing. But the biggest takeaway I want you guys to see is the Asian range, because I think the Asian range is what kind of like sets the tone for the rest of the day. The market seems to be reacting based off Asian range. Okay guys, yeah, that's the trader. I think This is the trade I was talking about. Look at where the market reversed. And by the way, guys, I didn't even know if the market was like, I didn't even know the predicted area for that specific day was going to be. That's the beauty about this indicator. It's based purely on numbers, calculations. 1 plus 1 equals to 2, based on numbers. No external indicators, your moving average, no nothing. It's just pure numbers, and that's why I really like this indicator. And it's basically the strategy that I've been using pretty much since 2017. And it's another reason why I chose to learn how to code, so that I can create a trading indicator on this strategy. So guys, this is the indicator I wanted to show you guys. You've seen me use it a lot last year, but I think with this modification it just makes things clear, guys. And again, link is in the description, guys. I would highly recommend you guys download the demo version and then put it on any instrument. I'm not telling you to go and put it on Nasdaq, anything, guys. Bitcoin, whatever, guys. Crypto, Forex. Just download the demo, run it on a back test on any instrument, and you will see, guys. And that's it for me, guys. I'm out.